Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Remember, subscribe and share my videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Yeah, they did a video about a woman by the name of Paula Richards in Jamaica who have been scamming people and taking their money with promises to bring cars from the UK to them, and after collecting people money, people still cannot get no motor vehicle. And they have made several reports to the police, including the fraud squad department at Central, and to no avail. Nothing is being done. It would appear as if no investigation is being carried out. But apart from that man who made that first report, another person is here on the channel again to describe or explain what happened to them with motor vehicles with the same woman by the name of Paula Richards. Carl, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Go ahead, man. Let me hear what you have to say.
Yeah, so this lady named Paula Richards, we do a transfer. We make a deal with her to send some cars to Jamaica, 3 cars.
Yeah, 3 cars.
Two Lexus, and a Vauxhall. And from the 26th of December 2022, yeah?
Yes, how long?
Yeah. And so far, it's only 1 car get released.
Okay.
And all the money pay, landing fee pay, everything pay. We contact the police about it, the fraud squad. Nothing has done as yet. Still waiting.
Hold on. What you say? Hold on. Not jump so fast. You say, all right. So you had a deal with her to bring in the cars for you to Jamaica, and you paid her money to bring in the 3 cars, right?
Yes, that's right.
Do you know how much money? Because before we go any further, you have receipts for every transaction, right?
Yeah, I got like the real account where I send the money to her. Plus my sister in Jamaica bring some money to her.
In cash, in person.
Yeah, in person, bring cash to her. Yeah.
Yeah, and then did you send money else? You say you send money to Rio, and you give her cash.
So I got those Rio. I got those receipts from Rio.
Did you send money to anywhere else?
No, it's always Rio, because she did get black from Western Union, so it's always Rio.
It's always Rio. So you know, like, yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, I always send transfer through Rio. So that's it. Yeah.
And you send money directly to Paula Richards?
That's right. I got everything here.
Oh, you have all the receipts. But about how much money you send to her in total? If you can't add up all the receipts, you can give me an amount.
I'll give you an idea, because I got the receipt them in my phone right now.
Just give me something off the top of your head, something close, if you can't add up everything.
The last time I sent 700 and something pound, and they come up to. I don't want to tell you the wrong story.
700 pounds and probably about nearly.
I sent 723 pounds, and they come up to 130,000 Jamaican.
Okay. Yeah. But the question I'm going to ask you now, because we have to ensure the offense is being committed and all of these things. So she has taken money from you to clear the cars in Jamaica. When you own the cars in England, right?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
What part of the thing she was responsible for? You explain to me, like, how did you send the car? And the car were legal cars, right?
Yeah, legal cars, yeah. Register everything. Yeah. So basically, the car is like, we're not spoke as somebody we know, yeah? Father come to the United Kingdom and she stay with us.
Oh, so you know her personally then?
Yeah, I know her personally, yeah.
Okay.
So she come to the UK and she stay with us, yeah. So we contact her and say we have like 2 Lexus car, me and my friend, yeah. And my other friend did have a car when I go down. So she say, yeah, she going to apply for the permit. So we send her a copy of the logbook and stuff. And she called us and tell us that the permit is ready. So all we have to do is get a container and send the car.
Okay.
So we purchase a container and we send over the car and we send over the receipt from the container, people. And the car them reach Jamaica. We send the car the 26th of the 12th, 2022. And the car them reach in Jamaica the 17th of January 2023.
Then if the cars are in Jamaica, let me ask you a question. The cars are in Jamaica, and
Yes.
you have you paid Miss Richards all the relevant fees, like every money where she requested in order to get the cars? Have you paid all of those fees?
Yes, we did.
Oh, you pay all the money. So let me ask you a question. So
Everything.
what is her excuse? Because you say you get one car. So what is the excuse for you not getting the other two cars?
Well, she said certain paper, she did end up in a situation with her partner, and certain paperwork get messed up and stuff, so she have to redo over back stuff, and the permit for the car did run out, and some all kind of story. We just keep getting stories.
Oh, excuses then.
Yes, big excuse. So we have to go. That's when now we take it to a different level and go to the central police station to
you went to the
report it to
central police station to report it. So do you know who at central you make the report to?
Was a police lady we call Miss Lewis. My sister did go. So when my sister go to the police station, they phoned me and I spoke to the police in detail. But cause my sister give her the big portion of money, cause my sister give her like 579,000. Cause it's 600,000.
Was it what this money was given to her directly in a hand-to-hand transfer?
Yeah, cash. Yeah, cash.
So she met Paula and give the money directly to Paula.
Yes.
And still can't get the vehicle. So what we need to understand now, if you make a report like that to the police, because obviously, if she takes money from you guys and is supposed to make a delivery and the cars is not reaching to you guys, then say something is wrong. It's either she cannot bring in the car, or she not a license for bringing the car, or something else is going on that she's not telling you guys about, because you guys get one car already. So what is the hold up on the other two cars? And it has been from 2022. And then if you make a report to the police, but let me ask you a question. You make a report to the police. Did you guys get a receipt from the police?
No, my sister never get a receipt. No.
But listen, you guys need to go back to the station, because guess what now? And go back, because that police, once you make a report to a police, you're supposed to get a receipt. And you're supposed to be interviewed, and a statement is supposed to be collected in relation to the report that you are making. Now the question I need to ask you, did the police contact Paula Richards?
The police, when my sister go to the station, she and my niece, the police lady, Miss Lewis, called her and asked her to come inside. So when she come into the station, the police asked her if she know these persons, and she said yes, she know my sister. She speak to my sister and stuff like that. And she did take the money from her, and she tell the police that she pay the money at the wharf for the car.
Then if she pay the money at the wharf for the car, we're not supposed to get the car, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's what I expect.
So when was the last time you spoke to Paula? Anyone of you spoke to Paula?
The last time I spoke to Paula when I was in Jamaica. I come down to Jamaica. I was in Jamaica last year, December. And I spoke to her. And she said to me is like brother. So she gave me a vehicle to lose for the time, because I told her I come now with my family. So I got my kids, So I come to Jamaica. She gave me a vehicle to lose. Then she called me up and tell me that she have to come back for that vehicle. She come back for that vehicle near the 1 o'clock in the night. And said to me she's going to bring a different vehicle come give me, because that vehicle have to go out. So she's going to exchange it and give me another vehicle. From the time I've been in Jamaica till now, I don't hear back from Paula, and I reach back to the United Kingdom January the 6th.
So you haven't heard from her since that time?
No.
And you have no idea. You have no idea where the cars is, where the two vehicles where you're supposed to get this, and you have paid her all the money.
All the money.
And
last conversation.
Go ahead.
I hear at the time when I was in Jamaica, and I asked my niece to contact the police. And I speak to the police lady. And the police lady said to us, but you can get us prosecuted because we send car illegal in the country. And I explained the situation to the lady. She don't want to hear what we have to say. She just defending what Paula have to say. So that's how we look at the system, not going no further. Because you're in this country and work so hard and send your stuff, and people scamming you.
Okay.
You
So
understand?
you feel
It's
like the
not no fair
police,
justice.
yeah, so you feel like the police is not doing their, carrying out their duties in a neutral way then. You feel that something is
Duties,
wrong.
cause you're not hearing a person's point. You're just picking up, and the police advise her not to meet us, none at all in Jamaica, because so much is going on in Jamaica. So basically, you're telling her not to meet up with us, like we're going to do or something. I come from England with my family. What can I do, Paula? I send how much money Paula come to England and stay with us. You understand? We know about our local kids, them everything. So why we would do or something? I want to know what's going on with my money and my car. That's all I need to
because
know.
you already sent the car, so you just need the car. But obviously
Yes,
something
I
is
know.
something is going on. And I mean the police is not being. I don't believe as a former detective, I don't believe the police is being neutral. As a matter of fact, if you make a report to the police is supposed to pursue the report. And you have all the receipts to prove every transaction. So the question should not be asked of you. The question should be asked, where is the vehicle? And you have taken, and Paul has taken money, so they should have find out from her where is the vehicle, because you have taken this man money.
It reached to a point where we asked, Paula to give us the documents so we can get somebody else to clear the vehicle. And not even that she don't want it to do. So in that situation, she leave in an open land, because at the moment we try to get other broker to investigate, and nobody cannot find the vehicle them on the wharf. So we don't know where is the vehicle.
But are you sure that the vehicles even got to Jamaica?
Yeah, the vehicle we got picture when them in the wharf. What my sister sent us, and she sent a picture to show us the container full.
So I'm not sure. Hold on, me ask that question. I'm not sure. See, if you the vehicle them there.
Yeah, man. We know the vehicle, so we see the container full and everything.
Yeah.
And even my friend will get theme car, send me a picture of the car, them, because the three of them come out and park together, so I can send you the picture of them. Yeah,
man, send me the photographs them, because I need to see it. But the thing about it, I am going to try to see if I can get somebody down by the flying squad to by fraud squad to find out what is going on, because this is not the first time somebody has reported a matter about Miss Richards to the flying squad, to the fraud squad, and nothing is happening. Because I get to understand.
Every police know about her. When you go to the wharf, everybody know about Paula Richards.
Okay.
And this is 2024, and we still not receive no car.
And the police is not doing any policy, and you are not satisfied with the way the police is dealing with it. You are not satisfied. I would not be satisfied also.
Well, the police lady said to me the last time I speak to her when I was in Jamaica, say, with us not to contact her, give her time, and she give her time to sort out what she needs to sort out. So she going to make me know when the stuff sort out. My sister, Manito, don't hear nothing from the police lady, so I don't know what's going on.
No, man, this police is not doing their duties. This is not how they're supposed to operate. They're supposed to investigate the matter. And a matter of fact, you would have had the relevant documents in relation to the cars and everything, that they could go down by the wharf and check out the cars and everything. The police could have done all of that.
That's what I want to know, what Jamaica going to, cause we, as a Jamaican, and I'm in this country working legally, got my kids, my family back home, send my car, and pay all the duty, all the charge, and still cannot receive a car and cannot know nothing about the car. So I don't understand what next to do.
All right. So let me ask you a question. You said to me when I was speaking to you prior to recording your conversation, you said to me that you and Paula had a conversation where she sent you a voice note. You had a voice note where she sent you in relation to the cars. Can you play that voice note if you have it?
Yeah, that voice note where she sent me about the money to go into Scotia, what my friend was going to transfer her, and she said she did ask me which bank. So I got voice note can pay.
Play that me here.
Happy New Year, brother. Where are you with? 1 minute, I'm going to get the right one. That's she sending me Happy New Year. This is the one.
Yeah, that's the reason for morning when me ask you, say, she asked them which bank them will transfer the money from. And I could have give them a Scotia account for the money transferred, you know. You understand me? No, this no, I'm going to take, me not going to get this money from Scotia until maybe on Monday. Or tomorrow, late. You understand me? Weekend I will come catch the container now again. I'm going to have $1 for the more container storage, you know. And this message, I'm gonna get this message brother about from police today.
That's she.
Yeah, that's she. Oh, so she wants the money to clear the container. So that means that it's obvious that she's claiming that the containers were here.
Okay.
Yes.
I got picture with the container where she sent us with the cars them in the container when them unloading them.
Yes.
And where them was. So I got all of those.
But let me tell you, I apologize to you, Madam, on behalf of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because I am not that type of police officer. If you have made a report to me like that, every action would have taken. I'm going to tell you the truth. Because I each pan cases like those, brother. I don't each pan no case, a matter of fact. Every report a man make to me is important to the person. That's why the person reported in the first place. An investigation is supposed to be neutral, and as far as I'm concerned, every police is not like that. That's what we need if you understand first. But it's obvious there's something going on with these police officers and this woman. Because why is it that so much people are making reports and nothing going on? The woman should be embarrassed, brother. If that be the case. So right now, I am going to make a call down there and find out what is going on, Because I need to talk to somebody down there. I've spoken to somebody down there really in relation to the first report. I know there's a second report, and I know I am hearing that there's probably more people other than you.
It's a lot of people, apparently, but I don't really want to bring our next people's story come further.
Yeah, I know.
But we can talk about our story, you understand?
Yeah, your story, because you want your money, you want to deal with right now. But
I got the receipt them from Rio what I sent her.
Listen, keep all your receipts, because you're gonna need it for the investigations, and I am going to make a link and ensure so somebody start dealing with this right away, because it needs to be done. If me have to go reach out, but your sister can go to your sister in the meantime. Yeah. Your sister can go to the complaints division to make a report as a result. Because the first thing, once you make a report to the police, the police is supposed to give her a receipt for the report. With her name on the receipt, and everything. They're supposed to give you, and they're supposed to collect a statement from you once you make a report. They're supposed to collect a statement. You understand me? So the police is not doing what the police is supposed to do. That's the first thing, because you're supposed to have a receipt of the report, and you don't have any.
The last conversation where I got with that police here, what she tell us, saying can prostitute us and lock us. So I just leave the case, because I'm trying to bring across a story and explain it to you, and you taking what father tell you, but you don't want to hear what the client have to say.
But the complainant, because you are the complainant in the case, Paula is a suspect at best,
Yeah, so you telling us you can arrest us because we send car illegal, which I don't get. How we can send car illegal when somebody get a permit for a car?
No, man, somebody needs to get to the bottom of this, and I am going to make certain phone calls and try and ensure that somebody gets to the bottom of this. Motherfucker, as soon as you come off right with me right now, I'm going to make a phone call to somebody, find out what is going on. Because
and I will send you all the pictures, all the receipts, everything.
Yeah, man, I want you to send me a photograph of all the receipts, everything that you have. All right, and so I can forward it to the detective. Whatever me talk to a detective, we can forward it to that person. All right.
Definitely,
so
I appreciate it.
Just go and hold it, and remember, let your sister. You're in England now, so let your sister go down to the complaints, because she has brought money and give to Paula directly. So make your sister go down to the complaints, because if the police is not dealing with it, then you need to go above the police, and you have to go to Indicom, or you need to go to the public complaints. Look, listen now, I don't know if it's still called the public complaints. I hear it's right in front of the family court downtown.
Okay.
In front of the family court downtown.
My sister lives in Otraya, so I have to speak to her.
Yes.
And see if I can get my niece to come. My niece and I go and give her the money. So I'm going to see if my niece, my niece work in the system.
Okay.
So I'm going to speak to her and see if she can go there.
All right, you need to do that, because if the initial report is not going anywhere, then you will have to take it further.
Okay.
Because police is supposed to act upon the report, and they're not acting upon the report. It's not like you're making a false report, because they got in touch with Paula and they spoke to Paula, and like you said to me before, she accepted the fact that yes, she took the money. So where's the cars?
Okay. And she said that to the police that she receives all of this money and there's no car.
So if where's the cars and she has not given any excuse yet, like why the cars are not, why one of the cars were came out and the other two didn't come out.
And when you try to call her, she block you. So
yeah, she's doing that.
have to lose a different phone to try and get to her.
All right,
and still block.
That is what is going on. All right, so I'm sorry again, I mean, I have to apologize to you on behalf of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because most police in the Jamaica Constabulary Force don't act like that. You understand me? It's just certain amount of police, certain corrupt police you have, we align themselves with criminals because they might get money, behave them with them weird. You have some police where we deal with the thing straight up, because if that was me, should they have jail already, yeah? Because I don't itch for investigation like that. You understand me? I don't itch.
I appreciate that.
And police is not supposed to send people to other police. Police is supposed to investigate, put a file together and send it to where it's supposed to go. You understand me? You're not supposed to have complaint and send them all over the place.
That's what I expect when we go to the police. We think we're going to get justice, but there's no justice.
But because the thing about him, Dan, is the police is about justice, but sometimes you just go to the wrong police. You understand me? Sometimes you just go to some criminal or some people who just corrupt and just love money and sell all their soul for money. That's how it going.
Yeah.
So
and this is why we are trying to make the country better, because you have people overseas send things, and you got people on the Jamaican side just scamming people, and people afraid to come back in their own country. You understand?
True, man. I understand it.
Yeah.
All right, so you have my number, so keep the number. We'll talk again, all right? And I'm gonna see what I can do.
WhatsApp those stuff.
Yeah. Yes, WhatsApp me everything that you have. All right, sir. Have a good one.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, too.
Viewers and subscribers, I don't know what to say about this incident, because now we have more than one person reporting the same thing against the same woman, and nothing is being done in relation to their report. I don't know what the police is doing, or is it that the police does not believe the person's story? But even so, at the same time, learn this, members, viewers and subscribers. This is what you are to know. Once you make a report to the police, and you're at any police station or any department, the police is supposed to give you a receipt. That is the first thing. Secondly, the police is supposed to take your statement and begin their investigation. That is what that is a police job to do. The police is supposed to take your report, give you a receipt for the report. No. It's obvious that this person made a report and the police did not give them a receipt, and it would appear as if the investigation is not going anywhere, even though the man had stated clearly that the police had spoken to Miss Richards about the whole incident too, and yes, she had admitted the fact that yes, she took money from the people. Then if she has taken the money from the people from 2022 until now, then why is the cars not forthcoming? And even though she told the man that the car is in Jamaica, why is the man not getting the car? And it would appear as if there's no explanation to this man why he's not getting his car, so he has turned to poetry and police to see if we can solve the issue. As you know, we did the first video I did. Miss Richards contacted me in relation to the incident, and she did not deny taking the man's money. And now I think she's in the process now of trying to pay back the man that money, because I think the man has received some of the money already. But I'm still not satisfied with what is going on at the end of the police. Why is that the police not carrying out the investigation? What is happening? Am I being misled? What is happening? Because if a report is made to the police should do everything in their power. Because then I know if I made that, people get locked up a long time. I don't know about any other police are listening to this. Once people have make a report and they have receipts to prove that money changed hands and they're not getting what they paid for, people forget lock up. People forget lock up for obtaining money by false pretense. That should be the case, and this is not happening in the first case, and this is still not happening in the second case. Now, the gentleman in the first case that reported to me when I did this video before has gotten back $300,000 from Miss Richards, because she sent that to him, and he's waiting on the balance. You know what I mean? I think he will let me know if he gets all the money. But he should not have to come to social media to get back his money when a report was made to the police. That is all me I said to you know. What is happening at Fraud Squad? Who is in charge of Fraud Squad? Can somebody just share this video with somebody at Fraud Squad for me, please? So the members of Fraud Squad can shed some light on this thing, or they can cause the investigations to begin. But it is shedding a bad light on the police department. I don't know what is happening. I don't know what, because as he said before, the police have spoken to Paula Richards about the whole incident. Why is she not arrested? And is there lack of evidence? Is there something that this person is not telling me? That is what I'm wondering. But we are yet to know this. I know that is not the way investigation is carried out. And something is definitely wrong. And Poetry and Police will get to the bottom of this. I assure you, I will get to the bottom of this. Because I'm not going to stop making phone calls. And I make trouble until these people get justice or get back their money. Trust me.